Yeah, good day everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy a domain on stormerhost, Ghana #1 professional hosting website. Now, when you visit the site, stormerhost, you have to log in case you don't have an account. If you don't have an account, then you have to use the register button. Now, one thing about this website is that you can register with your Facebook account, your Gmail account, or your Twitter account. Anyone you wish to use, you can use. But right now, I want to sign in with my Gmail account, and that is it. Already, I have a domain here which I want to purchase. Now, I'll go to my invoices. I've already searched for my domain name. Now this is the domain I wish to pay for, which is this one. Here, click on view invoice. The domain name is stylishmagazine.com, which will cost me 65 cedis and approximately 66 cedis, 27 pesos to buy. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is to click on the pay now button. Then I'll select the mobile money send option. There's a bank deposit option, there's a PayPal option, but here we're going to be using mobile money send option for easy purchase. Now, as you can see, here is the mobile money account of the admin of this website. This is MTN Mobile Money, this is Vodafone Cash account, and other ones. Now note, before you make this transaction, always scroll down to note your reference number. With the reference number, the admin can be able to activate your domain easily. Okay, please don't forget, while you are making the purchase, while you are sending the admin money via his mobile money, always make use of this reference number. It's a 5-digit number. Yeah, now I'm going to pick up my phone. Now I'm dialing star 170 hash on my phone. Okay, right now I'll click on transfer money. The next thing I need to do is to select Momo user, which is option 1 on my phone. Then enter mobile money number. Now in this option I will have to type in this number here, the 055795266 on my phone. Then click on send. Okay, they ask me to confirm the number. I have to retype it again, 055795266. Okay, I click on send again. They ask me the amount. Now I already know the amount I'm supposed to pay, which is 66 cedis. The last time we checked, it was 66 cedis, but if you're not too sure, you minimize it and check. You see here. Okay, now 65 cedi. It has gone back to 65 cedi, so I'm to pay 65 Ghana cedi for 1 year. I'll be using this domain for 1 year. Okay, I've entered the amount, and now the reference number, which is very important, very important, 20235. Okay, Donko Enoch is his name. Now I have to enter my mobile money pin so that I can be able to initiate the transaction. Now I have sent the money. Okay, now what else do I need to do? I have to like reload this page to be sure. You see the status here shows unpaid. Now I have to reload it to know the status. Okay, now what next? Let me go to my email and check. Okay, right now no confirmation yet. All right, but in the next short minutes I'm going to be receiving a confirmation. But that being done, let's go back stormerhost.com/client area. Now you see the domain is still there, but in the next few minutes the admin is going to move the domain to where it's supposed to be. Okay, right now as you can see at this top here it showed paid. That means they have confirmed the transaction already. Now I see they just sent me a mail that Stylish magazine has been purchased safely. See, that's it. Now in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to link this domain which we just bought to our blogger blog. Thanks for watching.